Bree went and picked Lady up and took, so she hasn't seen us for 3 days. And Bree took her straight for a bath because she always smells really bad after she's been boarded. And do you hear her? She's whining. She's whining. I pulled up to the house and she was like panting, whining, so upset. Anyway, so she went and got a bath. I picked her up. She literally whizzed down my leg. She was so excited. Do you see her? She's like, oh my gosh. She's like, all these crumbs I missed. Are you looking for daddy? No, she's like, I'm just looking for anything, anyone. She is so happy.
She's gonna go potty, is she?
Okay, let's take her back outside and let's have her go potty.
She's like,
I just got a bath, but I'm gonna get in the dirt. Lady, out.
come here.
Yes. Oh, what? You want to go in the house? She looks beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy to see her. We missed you. Welcome home, little babies. Welcome home. She is seriously so sweet. Oh, Boston, your eye. Your eye literally looks like Quasimodo. The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing his eye. The camera is not doing it justice. I want to look at you from the side. You can kind of see that it's like bulging. Tell everyone what happened. And this side there is no bulging. Tell everyone what happened.
I ran into a pole
at school. And you couldn't see for a minute. Did it all go black? Is that what happened?
There was like a bruise up here and then it kind of went away.
Yeah.
And then it was like right here, but then the park it started going back in.
Really?
Yeah.
You sweet boy. I think we should get some ice cream tonight. You can stay up with me. Do you want to do that? I think so too. For dinner tonight, I'm trying something new. I'm making spaghetti squash in the Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, I love it. I use it all the time. I will link it in the description. It's also a really good gift idea. I did give this as a gift one year. I have the bigger one. If you have more than 2 people in your family, get the bigger one because you just need the room in there. For the spaghetti sauce, I diced up a bunch of zucchini and squash and I'm frying it up with just a little bit of butter. And then once these are a little bit soft, because I like my veggies a little crunchy, I'll just add the spaghetti sauce to my vegetables. Because I'm trying to get as many vegetables in my dinner as possible. So that's a lot between the squash and this. That'll be a really good dinner, I think. I hope it's good. We'll let you know.
Aww.
It was like right here.
Aww.
And then it came out.
You doing okay? Did the girls think it was cool?
What?
Did the girls think it was cool? You're gonna probably have a pretty good black eye tomorrow.
I know. The like puffy keeps like sinking.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not crazy.
It's not too bad.
It looks so
Lower it down for me just so I can see. Oh, I mean, it's pretty
It's
like,
pretty
okay.
saggy.
Now just like relax. Oh, poor guy.
I'm sorry, bud. Was school pretty rough afterwards? How's your head feel? You got a headache?
That's what we are asking him and he's okay.
Yeah, man, he's fine. I'm sorry, bud.
Here's how the spaghetti squash looked. You can see it's like literally peeling off the shell. It turned out really good. It feels good. Here's what it looks like on the plates. And here's what it looks like with the sauce on it. I have high hopes for this. I am not kidding. I'm gonna put some fresh parm on it and then I'll tell you what we think.
Okay, so we're playing hide and seek, and we cannot find Boston. He's not outside. He's not downstairs. He has to be upstairs somewhere, and we have checked literally everywhere. Not by the door.
Not in there.
I think I found it. A little. No.
This is actually fracking delicious. Are you kidding me?
No.
What do you think? You have to be honest. Tell me what you're thinking. Do you hate it?
No, it's really good.
We've had spaghetti squash before like this and it wasn't really great. The Instapot, I think, is the key. What do you guys think? I want to know.
Pretty good. It's okay. Bad. It's not.
I love it.
Aw, let's see your eye, bossy.
He's doing that purposely.
To be honest, no, I think it's getting worse as the day goes on. I think his eye is getting worse.
Can you zoom?
It goes.
13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 30, 31, 33, 34. 33. Nope. 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 Yes! Yes! Yes!
Told you it needed more than 3 seconds. I tried going under his bed, but my butt wouldn't fit through it.
Mom! That doesn't count!
I said look in the kitchen.
Yeah, you blew it. That doesn't count. Oh,
I couldn't fit in there.
Whose little ice cream bowl is that for?
Lady.